went into the apartment and then created some problem. Then residents were complaining, and then we started our operation 5 days back, and 2 doctors were deployed, and around 70 personnel were deployed with 2 tranquilizing gun and 1 special team from Mysore, also leopard task force, and with 4 cages were placed at strategic locations for the capture, and we made all our effort to capture it alive.
ಇದು ಅರಣ್ಯ ಇಲಾಖಾ ಪ್ರಕಟಣೆ. ನಿನ್ನೆ ರಾತ್ರಿ ಈ ಪ್ರದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಚಿರತೆ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಬಂದಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಾರ್ವಜನಿಕರನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಡರಾತ್ರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಓಡಾಡೋದನ್ನ ಅವಾಯ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಓಡಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಅವರು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಾರ್ನ ಅಥವಾ ಗುಂಪಾಗಿ ಸಂಚರಿಸಬೇಕಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಇಲಾಖಾ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಕೋರಿಕೊಳ್ತಿದ್ದೇವೆ.
After a 5-day operation, the elusive leopard was caught and then shot dead by forest officials in Bengaluru. This has led to emotional responses pouring in from citizens over the big cat's death, questioning the need to shoot the animal. The leopard was found in the KudluGate area near Electronic City in Bengaluru. Forest officials had set up a cage and tried to trap the leopard, and when their efforts failed, shots were fired. Chief Conservator of Forest SSlingaraj said that the leopard had attacked 2 forest officials and the big cat was shot in self-defense.
And we made all our effort to capture it alive. But in the last day of the operation, when we cleared this vegetation, before that actually it attacked one of the vet. When he tried to tranquilize it, it attacked him severely, and 2 of its canines went into his neck, and then later another staff was also attacked on the arm, and 3rd person actually in the operation he fell down and he got his leg injured, and then all this happened. Then we shouted if any attacks again, we need permission also to shoot. So then we asked the Chief Leopard permission, and then it was given. And then in the last fag end, when we were clearing the vegetation, it avoided our net and pounced on one of the staff, and in meanwhile we had to open fire.
However, activists and animal lovers are not satisfied with this justification.
It could have been saved, because after all that effort, unnecessarily that guy saw the leopard, though it was trapped, he shot it. He could have allowed the veterinarian, Mr. Prayag was there, he could have allowed Mr. Prayag to dart it. But before Prayag could come into the picture, this guy had already shot it, and he is also shaking hands with his colleague to say the job is done. So that was very bad reflection of what was the mindset of things.
Social media has been flooded with criticism. Few users have even questioned the training of the officers. MP Tejasvi Surya stated that our cities are growing without care for our environment or wildlife. He even added that the hunger for real estate will eventually kill our cities. But was there any other option available instead of shooting it? According to the survey, 747 leopards died in India between 2015 and 2019. Leopards killed 17 people in 2013, followed by 14 in 2011, 2015 and 2017. Since February 1, more than 500 calls have been received by the Karnataka Leopard Task Force regarding the capture and rescue of wild leopards. 46 leopards have been rescued since its formation in Mysuru and Mandya, 15 of which were cubs. The loss of the leopard is a regrettable event that highlights a pressing concern. It draws attention to the larger problem of urban areas inadequately coexisting with wildlife. Urgent reforms are required to manage situations where wild animals venture into the cities, prioritizing the safety and preservation of both citizens and wildlife. Let us know in the comments below what your opinion about the incident is. For more such latest news and updates, subscribe to Daily Salar Digital.